Hi folks, this is question 6. The first part asks us to fill in the sample space. Well, 1b there is just represents the getting a 1 on the die and B on the spinner. Therefore the first space in the top corner is going to be a 1 and an A, so you just need to look to the side and look up to the top. You can kind of figure out what will go in anyway without even reading the top of the question. Here has to be that would be a 1 on the dice and a C on the spinner, and then this is a 2 on the dice and an A on the spinner, and so on. So we just have to fill it out. Then how many different possible outcomes are there in total? Well, you can just add them all up. It'll just be 6 times 3, which is 18, or you can just count up all the squares there, or all the outcomes. List all the outcomes that have an even number and B. Well, we can go through them. If I mark them, well, that's an even number and B. That's an even number and B, and that's an even number and B. There's no point looking in any other column because it doesn't have B in it. And then the 1, 3 and 5 obviously aren't even numbers. Therefore it'll just be 3. So 3 out of the 18. Or it asks us to list them here actually, so you lose marks if you don't list them. So it's going to be 2B, 4B, and 6B. Then each outcome in the table is equally likely. What's the probability that Maria will get an even number and B? It's just going to be 3 out of the 18, so 3 out of 18. You can simplify it down if you want into 1/6. That's all in for question 6.